Can you use tap water with Elm Dirt products? That's a great question, one that I get asked quite a lot actually, but not nearly as much as should I use fertilizer? Anyway, let's get into it. You absolutely can use tap water with our products. However, there are some caveats. Now, why is this? Well, tap water contains beneficial minerals and salts that can be removed during the purification process. Depending on where you live, your tap water may contain high levels of these beneficial minerals and salts, which can result in a buildup over time. This buildup can then reduce the effectiveness of the product and potentially harm your plants. The other reason is that tap water often contains chlorine and other chemicals which can also harm your plants. Now, if you have a whole house filter or a specific water filter for your shower, then these may remove some of the chemicals, but depending on how old your pipes are, there may still be some residue or chemicals left over. Now, this isn't to say that you shouldn't use tap water with our products, it just means that you need to understand the potential implications of doing so. Ultimately, it's up to you to decide whether or not the benefits of using tap water outweigh the risks. If you're in any doubt at all, then using purified water is the best way to go. This will ensure that your plants get the water they need without any of the potential downsides. Now, purified water is obviously more expensive than tap water, but the health of your plants is worth it in my opinion, and it will also ensure that the product works as intended. On the other hand, if you're using tap water and you notice that your plants start to suffer, then switching to purified water may be the answer. There are many different types of water out there, and what works for one person may not work for another. So it's important to experiment and find what works best for you and your plants. I hope that answers the question. If you have any further questions about using tap water with our products, then please don't hesitate to contact us directly. We're always happy to help in any way we can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.